Gachahumba bwesimbu mariba nagandi abisha bari hagati y'imyaka 12 na 17 nibo barjuro mu mashomero ahabo Kutwara Enda hamwe no kushwerwa abakiri bato omyanyeji emchene mtwarze hamwe no kwiciriza neretera abazire kushweza abana babo bakiri bato bari kwiciriza ngo mwana w'umushiki nareta hentasi yashwerwa.
One of the causes of early marriages, one of them is the poverty levels, the family poverty levels. Most of our families live on hand to mouth.
Okuchondozo kwakozwe Save the Children 2022 nukoreka kwa bisho Kutwara hamwe no kushwera abakiri bato kweyongiro muri Kasese kandi okuchondozo ku nukoreka kwa magomboraga gari kweyongiro mu bikorwa ebi habicweka 5 na 8 iki cyorekere cyane cy'ibicedi kugwa kandi kiri kwerarikiriza ahamenyeto ya nyenchakare na mnunga Abaishiki.
We have seen statistics to the level of 58% in some sub-counties where we work. When we started the project, we had a baseline survey, and in some of the sub-counties, we had teenage pregnancy levels at the level of 58%. You know, that brought down means that in every 3 children, 1 is already pregnant and another one might be pregnant today or tomorrow.
Report nzoreka ngo obucweka 5 na 8 abana bakuzara bishiki bakiri bato nibashinya ahabo kushanga ngo banyi nabo tubakubarebereraje kandi abashija bakuba batwekere nibabatsigaho babarikiro vunanzubwa.
When children under 18 have fellow children, they do not know how to take care of them, and many times these young people are not getting the parenting support they need at such a time, so they are fending for themselves, they are fending for another child. Many times, even before they have this child, there are already complications involved because they are stigmatized, possibly they are hiding. So by the time the child comes on earth, they are already having challenges.
Obwebitongore bitari bya gavumenti nka Save the Children, Reach a Hand Uganda hamwe n'abebembezi bari kugezaho kuteko mu nkora programs za gavumenti na mnongo kushomesa omwana w'umushiki programmes nizigenda mbora ekiresirwe hentekateka no kwiciriza aha mugasho go kushomesa omwana w'umushiki eky'abantu becyange eki bari kugira ngo tikine mugasho.
When a child is still being defiled and the perpetrator taken to police and he is given a bond, when a child is still being married off by the parents, when the church is still uniting these people in Holy Communion, when they are still underage, we have no way we are going to fight these fights.
Hamkono gundi abebembeza bashimiye gukora hanshongezi tebakozere kirukumara.
I think as leaders we still have a long way to go in curbing the issue of early marriages and gender-based violence. If only we can come together and work as a team, if only we can have a collective responsibility to fight the vice, that's when we can see positive results.
All these cases have been reported to the police divisions. I want to call upon the police divisions to quicken the cases, take them to the resident state attorney so that the state attorney can forward the cases to the courts.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Muhindo Gerard wa Sky Television agenshonga omuri Kasese.